Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and if you're returning, welcome back. This is Miami Girl Tangi, and I have a great recipe for you. I made this as a Friday night dinner because usually I don't cook on Fridays, but my daughters asked me to make this for them, so I'm going to share it with you. It is cheesy chicken loaded French fries. So all the ingredients, of course, will be included in my description box as usual. So let's get started. All right, so let's just soak this chicken breast up in a little bit of vinegar and water before I start to cook my chicken. Okay, so I just wanted to speed this part up. I'm just going to go ahead and cut these up in cubes. Now we're going to go ahead and cook our chicken cubes. And the first thing I did was added a little bit of Cajun seasoning, the Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning. And that's the only thing that I put on the chicken. I have set aside my seasoning that I'm going to add in my sauce. So right now, let's just go ahead and brown this and get this done. And we're going to set this aside. And y'all know how I am. I would love to hear where you guys are from and where you are watching my videos. So if you can share what city you're in or what country, I would love to hear it. Okay, so let's go ahead and set this aside, and we're going to move on to the next step. Okay, so I added in 2 tablespoons of canola oil, and I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of real butter as well. And then we're going to go ahead and add in our onion and bell peppers. And we're going to go ahead and give this a stir. The aroma from this smells so good. I love the smell of onions and bell peppers. It smells so good. Okay, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons total of flour. So this is my first tablespoon. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a stir before I add in my other tablespoon of flour. And this is my second tablespoon. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a stir as well. And it smells so good. I just love the smell of onions and bell pepper. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and add in some heavy whipping cream. And then we're going to go ahead and start to get my oil heated for my French fries. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and let this heat up. And by the way, I am using canola oil to fry my French fries. But you can use vegetable oil also. Okay, so the sauce is thickening up. And this is the seasoning that I'm using. You don't need too much because we're going to add cheese. And especially a person like me, I do have high blood pressure, and I really have to stay clear of too much salt. But you can use whatever seasoning you want. You know, regular seasoning is what I used. And I'm going to also add in a little paprika. Gives it a nice color. It smells so good. So it's thickening up now, as you can see. And now let's go ahead and add in our first cup of cheese. And you can use whatever cheese you want. I just had the cheddar cheese in the refrigerator already, so that's what I'll be using. Okay, so we're going to add in our next cup of cheese as it thickens. And this is such it's an easy and quick recipe, and my kids love it. And it's a great recipe, especially for like a Friday or a Saturday night, you know. It's very good to make for your family. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and add in our chicken. And we're just going to go ahead and work that in there. Give it a little stir. And then we're going to start to fry our french fries. It is as simple as that, guys. So easy, and it's so delicious. My kids love it. Very nice and thick. Okay, so the oil is hot now. We're going to go ahead and add in our french fries. You can use whatever french fries you want. The crinkle kind, the steak fries, the string french fries, whatever kind you want. I had to make a deal with my kids because, like I say, on Fridays is usually my chill day. You know, like they can make whatever they want. You know, but since my daughter said, "Mom, well, I'll wash the dishes for you if you make it," I'm like, "Okay, that sounds good." So since my daughter washed the dishes for me and cleaned up on a Friday, whatever, I said, "Okay, I'll make this for you. Why not?" So now we're ready. I'm going to go ahead and add a little seasoning salt now. I'm not going to be eating this. I might taste a fry or two, but like I said, my high blood pressure, I can't deal with too much seasoning. But just go ahead and pour that sauce on top with the chicken and just let your kids have a fork. And my daughters, they're going to just share this together while they watch some Christmas movies and enjoy this. It's so delicious, guys. And I'm going to go ahead and garnish just a little bit with a little bit of parsley flakes, and that's optional. So guys, yeah, this is it. So simple. And like, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making this video for you, and if you do, please like and subscribe, and also let me know where you're from, and hope to see you soon again, guys. As usual, I hope everybody have a wonderful day.